Ayan, that's my sister. That's my sister Joy. Again. So what's going on? I have pimples right there in my forehead. Okay, so I'm still cooking though. So I'm cooking pakwaba. It's called pakwaba. So our little kitchen, guys, is very little kitchen. Hello everyone. Guys, don't forget to give up the thumbs up, guys. Let me put this one here. So that. Hi. Hi, Mike. Good evening.
First time mo rin mag-live naman.
Hi, Kate pala. Hi, Kate. They're like after a long day. So that's my sister. Say hi. That's my sister, Joy. So how are you doing, Kate? So we are cooking actually. Cooking something.
Kaya na ilomi sa akin ng lamin. Hindi magdugay.
Thank you so much for the thumbs up.
So, how do you go?
Tayo na kasi na sa'yo kapag sa'yo. Manda siguro yun doon.
You are an instructor. If that's what you do. But we'll have to wait.
Kaya na ito is piso. Kasi magbalik ko sa iya pa ini. Wala man sila. Ano ba? Basta nagpubuhan ako kabalik.
I'm doing good. Joy is beautiful. I met you with Chubb some time ago. Yeah. Yeah, I remember. Huh? So you still in Angeles? Huh? Ano naman yan?
Ay,
So that's my sister. How old are you? Say hi. Hi. She's 27. She's 27. Actually, she came to visit me and she helped me to cook. So we are cooking some Filipino dish and some Indian dish.
It's perfect. Yeah. Try it.
No, I'm okay.
The Bed Bath & Beyond website is market for an air fryer, oven, and towels. The air fryer
Sige ka mo pa sa lang. Mawan man apay mo. Yan yung ito namin sa Pampanga. Yan kami sa Pampanga. Kaya lagi pa mo yung mga nito. Hindi siguro.
Ano ko no?
Ako na yung nagyan.
Hello everyone. Guys, you can ask anything while I'm cooking. I can still answer. Yes, still living here in Angeles. Jay looks sweet. Yeah, she's so sweet. Can I see your face? Hi. So she's
I'm
cooking fish. This is we call it paksiw. It's a fish. Then we put it vinegar, sour, something like that. It's not kinila, but it's not raw fish with vinegar, but it's cooked with vinegar. We call it paksiw here in the Philippines.
Yeah. Ay, mga sa si ano, siguro oras sa inyo. Ay, girls. Ano yung lamot? Ako din mo kasi yung nagkakaroon ng picture pag muna mo. Tama lang ako nag-i-read sa takas na lang. Ayaw ka to sa kanilang mo sa Pampanga.
Oh, kaduha kami kadto. Balakan. Ito ni doon tanaw wala kani.
May
Kung
kontra.
na kay mo sa dan sa ibang trabaho. Pero di ba din di man to kami. So let me show you guys what I'm cooking. So it actually a lot. This is a lot, guys. It's called pakwaba, but it's like this is like mixed vegetable. It has the cauliflower, potato. It has the spinach, onion, and eggplant. It's everything. It's mixed, and we put is like it's like a flour. We put flour to mix it. It's like it's called Indian dish, guys, actually, and I'm going to fry it. And this is the finishing product. So it's like pickles, something like that. It's fried. It's good for breakfast. So it's this is how he likes this one. It's Indian dish, and this is his breakfast. So I actually cook a lot, so that is good for 2 weeks. It's good for 2 weeks. Imagine this is like 3 kilos. So so that he has no complaint at all. So he has food. Because when you cook this, it's not, it's not easy. You need to slice everything. So that's why I cook a lot so that, it's good for him for 2 weeks.
Pag gawin ko yung mantika na may. Tama na.
So this is our little place. Is kind of small. Yeah, our kitchen actually is very small, guys.
Nakakabot naman.
And since today is my day off on my job, so that's why I did live. I actually doing work, guys, as a live seller. That's why my voice is like this because of my job. My voice is actually like a lady boy voice, guys.
So, kung maganda. Handa na lang. Madatan dito. Tapos inang rin dahil.
Hindi sa ba ko yung rin?
Ay, kinahal ko pa rin sa dalawa ng pama ko. Kinahal siya lang ulit. Ay, parang dinagay ko siya. Pada yun, hindi ko mga kito. Gamay dahil pa kami balik na di.
Okay ba yan? Kasi ang kailangan ko yung mga bawas sa kabuk.
Asa siya. Di ko ito siya nito kay. Arang pa ka. So, ano niya na itong or nari or normal na lang.
Namalit mo na madugay lang pa yun.
Okay, baka sa inyo.
Hi guys! Welcome to my live, guys. So we are cooking right now.
Kung nangyayari ko yung butang,
Anda yan, handa yan. So, kumay.
Gaya ka ito. Mas malusa. Gaya ko sa oras.
Guys.
Nakinila ang pag-uwi. Nakunong kitaan. Kaya sinabi niya, gusto niya maninahin. Hindi niya naganda. Baylo ka na ito,
Baylo lang kay pagsikot.
Hala.
Kasi na mahindlo. Hindi, mahindlo. Baylo lang na.
Diba din, mahubugit kami itong kuan ha. Inom ka mo.
Ah,
Maraming sisig. Balo kasi si madali sa Bohol, sa Cubao.
hindi na madagan.
Ha?
Hindi makuhaan.
Tila ba yun eh, makaside ka na uninin na mga pagkaanaan. Oh.
Hindi ko ang.
Kami, ne? Ano pimali yan?
Tagas-tagas sa laog.
Kamawin naan.
Hmm?
Kamahuli naan. Ang kamahuli naan.
Ano ka ba yung kanon?
Tayo na lang tayo ng kanang ketchup and spicy. Hindi, sama na rin ako.
Sa isang Pilipino ka rin.
What? I know.
Masarap. Hindi Pilipino kantok.
Hindi po yung you buy outside restaurant. Yeah. You know, you pay 400 pesos for food. Wala.
Wala.
No rice, no nothing. Just by separate.
Only the, oh my God. Tapos
Uy,
ulit.
alam mo kasi yun eh.
Ay, ano ang birthday mo sa iyo?
Oo.
Sili ko ka na.
Nasa nagilid ko ka ng kuha mo sa sabi.
Ito ba? Isa ko na ako ipasa sa itong pabay. Ito yung dapat kapag
Ibak ka mo tayo yan.
hinayang. Sili sa talina.
Oo. Sabi ka na pagkain sa camera ha.
Sabi ko sa kayo.
Sa una, tabayo sa iba. Sa una.
Balat na gano'n ako mag-inom na isang nang puwang ko rin ito lang. Kaya
Takot pa muna ako sa laman naman. Ang pangalan nga kasi kaya.
Wala.
Tangil at rin uda ba?
Ano rin yan? Ano na mo yan? Ano nang ibalinan pagkuhan? Tirada na yung siya.
Yung ano.
Hindi ba naman sa sentro ng pambutangan mo sito?
Nakuha.
Ito.
Awi yan sa'yo noon. Butangan na. Ano dito pa ba yung tumig sa ano? Yun eh, pumunta niyo. Ako sinibutan ko, sabi ko punta na. Tumig ko yan. Ay, silupin sini. Matutulong sa yan, tapos sinibutan sa silupin na ID safer. Ako, hindi lang ako sir. So, good day, anti wala lang sa kasimana.
Mahal sa tagagabang ka lang na ako may mapalit.
Yung pakawila na.
At isang minto na. Kasi naman pati ang sugat ng anak ko.
Oo. Ang gani, mahal gani. Naman okay ka na na magluto kay Ang sila ito naman, pagkulto niya ng pagkanaan, ang gabag sa mga 2,000 kapin. Ang isa kalma sa mga tubig, ang quality gamay na. Ang quality ang gamay, ilikad na sa ng quality ng daas siya. Tapos, sure yan, nalilipyo kayo ako sa naluto.
O nga, ito bago ko kasi kunin mga paan. Hello guys! Cooking time.
Namatay sa sabi, ano sa mamatay sa iyan?
Siguro sa pakapasok. May timer siguro ito. Baka timer. Kasi. Ilulig pa rin sila ng hingaan de kuryente sa tara o may isira ka po. Tara sa tara trabahoan. Ang magaya ito kaya ng buto.
Ano?
Ayan, natuan. Regalo sa tripingan ko na. Dito po ang. Hindi ko rin. Okay, let me put you here. Okay, cooking time. Tapos, hindi ko mutana pa ako ng bus o van kung piray bayad ng rep.
Iwag na kami, di ba Arda yung TV Plus mo ta?
Aray nga, waray TV Plus, waray ko sa nga ito na TV Plus.
Ang sa iba mo
Aray
sa
nga ito yung channel, signal.
Nung tanong ko kung pati yung TV Plus na sa madami lang sa kainat, 1,000 ka na.
Oo, 1,000 sa 1,000 or aray ko ay yung pag makapait ka ng TV nila. 500 lang or 600. Pero at sa kapaling asan tapos na wasay TV Plus na ito. Dito ang andar ng TV Plus.
Mas magkita ko ng umi, ilagit na rin mo ano ko, sinagay kaya sa bayan ko, i-wheelchair na.
Ano isa nila buwan din ng init na.
Makapatay ito ni, ang gawin. Makapakaw sa makapatay ito.
Ang sabihin.
Kung ano yung buhay, ibubuhay na init sa patayaan, kaya kibali, lakuan sa lawas, kanan. Ilog, grabe ang kaso eh.
Yan padakan siguro. Naadlaw ko kung agad mo na mapatay na.
Andiyan sa Indian, kay uso sa Indian, sa unang Indian ko. Sa Indian na yung mga puso daw ko. Ay, ganun ang mga tapos yung ba, iba bis, o uso bubuan na lang. Kasi naman buhay, bakit sa kayo buhay. Ang kita mo iuso sa unang kong, iba gana ka nito. Bali, di madawat kang pag naya, mamaya ang buhay ka na, wag ka na, buong buwan na kasi para may makahisto. So, ang bayang buhay, buwan, ito na. Buhay pa. Dari lang sa kapisa kaubay ay sulit ito sa unang.
Wala niya, wala. Amin niya, pero sa uso.
Mga gani.
Wala sa diyan ko na ng uso.
Para kung may makain makanaan, iba din pa na.
Kung lubos ay ka na ang pag di ka na dala sa bahay.
You need to do that.
Wala na ka na kung ano yung isa.
Amen.
Kaya nakakuha niya na yung kuhaan.
Mayan ko lang din kayo. Di ba din nila panganduin nila kapag buwan na gawang makatusin.
Second big move is to flood the whole entire west coast with more coke than we've ever seen before. Straight up hostile takeover. If that happens, like that
Kaya
will
nakakatan mo na ang gabi. Ganang
soon about the next you can shut them down before they
Tanaw.
next.
Okay, kaya taga ng sungit ko.
Very important.
Anak na si Pastor Paulo sa bahay.
Kaya tayo okay tayo ito yan. Walang buhok na nga. Kukunin ko lang sa dito po.
money, where it comes from, and where it goes. Temples do require inspections, but inspections, in reality,
Kumain na ito rin na.
Dapat din kami ko.
Wala. Yan.
So we could use this thing. Sometimes
Away, 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 away.
No, you went to eat to get the boss. Take that now. It's after. Yeah, eat. Okay, yeah, eat. Wait, I'm coming outside. Yeah, go.
Ito lang. Halap kita, naghalap ka. Okay, terus ka na ang. Kailangan natin. Sunod. Okay, kayo sa kaluwag. Sa kaluwag ba tayo? Wala mo tayo. Wala. Wala, kaluwag ko. Tiyo ka din mo na. Halo-halo ilang yan. Pero sige na yung tapang patigbi. Ayan, tingin mo na. Tingin mo na yan. Ito na. Nawagit sa dahil yung pagbutan mo tayo. Ano, bukuan na. Pwede ba bukuan na yan? Butit na sa sipan. Bukuan na yan. labot pa niya. Oo. Ay, di ako. Ay, ako. Ipang mabot ito. Retrato.
Lain ako.
Mawalang meter nga na. Sa kong lang.
Kita na talaga ini.
Kaya mo kayo na. Tawag ka na kailang haibang ka na kung atong siya. Kung kasi pagban. Kita na. Hindi na lang ka na kita. Mainin niya. Lang. I-check mo ka kung ay commission ko lang.
Hindi mo ako nang dahil isa ganyan na.
Okay, wala ko mag-check. Busy ako. Awawan lang. Isend mo ka na ako. Kaya ko sumama sa GC. Ma, pag sinampit ko kapag yung tambal ni Papa.
Kasi sa satarian.
Baby, kaya itagan ko sa iyo ng, itagan ko lang ka ng 600, ay 500. Sumaga ko to ng 100. Sumaga ko ito ng 100. Si Mama, alam ko mag-send niya ng picture ng kapatid ng tambal. Hindi doon what? Ekad to, tayo sa kandag. Okay. Okay, bakit sa ko natin na makuha sa mawaga, yung sa pagkakagawain. Kasi, na to ba, inahan kayo, may pagkabakakon.
Ano?
Ayun yung tanong kami kanaan, ma. Ay, gata kami lang ga. 1-4. Pag tadong makay, kanami sudah to silang ga, among kamukan. Basta, amo siyan.
Ano ako doon?
Itong kuinsi mo silita kayo may yan ka mga binuhatan na simple malayo sa kibali kami kanwa, unang mag-isin tanan na kasi kibali kami. Wala kayo naman na ako yan nasa GC ba nakamalain ka, basta tinilo kay ikaw, kaya makabisis na ipatunayan na analiyan ka, kung walang kasahan kayo, si Jajay, ka naman yung pakabakang Jajay. Kami nga, ito yung utana. O yan ang yung utana ka, mama. Ito yung kabidyo ko kami ni mama. Kiba ito sa kami isa, video call kami. Kuhaan sa kiba. Matagay lang ako si... Ay lang ko si mama na... Ang ito na isakit yan. Kaya baka ginan... Dali ko na yun ng kuhaan. Rasyon. Ang ito ko na sabi si Gina, ima, magtakas ka mga kulo sa mga tagay. Silangga, magtakas lang ito na ulo yung mga kuhaan na... O magsenta na. Hindi mo pagdadali ulo, magtakas lang ko lang. Tag. Na Buat sibin ka na sa tutong tutubit pati ng tambal. Maganda na unahan na wala ng kainan na. Pakita mo kayo na picture na ipat niya tambal. Nasa? Naawa. Pagpasian, lang basta magsindog kay kamama, sige ka mag-update ka na si Mana sa GC. Para sa iyo kita tanan, para sa mga makadili, dito may makalimbong.
O dahil sa ako na, diretso sa akong kanak, diretso sa. Salamat na kung sige na.
Kibali sa, ikaw sa kibali ang presidente. Sige pa si Pani, igusga da. Sige ba yan?
Kasakot eh. Nakasa mo ko.
Kapandayan, sa mga bata ko na yan. Ibalot mo ako.
Advance Merry Christmas. Ay, wala kayo matawag sa akin pero sa mobile load. Ako maludan ta ka uma. Pag umawada, ano pa ko pagtawag?
So na yan, ito sa kasimana, ang guguwan ng dito na loob.
Nagagay, ludan ko yan. Tama rin kalukan manod mo ma. Wala yung load ko. Kasi piso sa'yo. Isap sa kayo sa piso net.
Uno sa kao ka lang kiwalo doon siya matulog ang tiwadlaw.
Doon sa
Ano
dami
na
na
luto, niluto lang. Ipanigas na sini ng kuan. Pagkanan sa kuan nilang sa kabuhan nilang kinahanay na sini.
Yan na ginoo ko.
Pwede sa kita mga ni. Mas nangluto maganda kita kay tapos makaya ni mga kukla siya nga gawa.
Correct. Ayaw dito.
Ito lang kaya namisa lang. Ay kita ba ito kay kong namisa
Pwede yung namisa na an.
Lang, si Jaya gaw lang nga si Jaya. Tabaw yan doon. Lang yan na makadibayan nga ni kanan nabalutan kananan kuan para
Uno sa
mating
yung
ba
pagkarangan
itong
ko.
nagaw basin itong makadiya ng uno ng kwanda.
Uno sa yung pagkarangan.
Ibali kasakpan. Salam, ikasakpan ibali.
Somebody love her husband so much.
No, it's me because I'm just going to ano.
You don't have your boys here. Before you know excuse, I take it for my sons.
Not for my husband. It's me.
Oh, you love
My
your
husband is
husband.
always going work for morning.
Yeah, right. And he come home at night
Kaya nga
time.
tinukiyaan, kasakpan nila.
No.
I buy this for my girlfriend. He requests me. Hey, I buy this from girl. She's smelling like dog. You know what? It's going bad. It's going bad. It's going bad.
It smells good. Okay.
Eat.
Anya. Anya. It's hungry.
Go home.
Diyan naman din yan. Diyan naman din.
I already told him.
I know.
And then he didn't come home. At now it has work. Now at that time.
Day buwan
I
ka.
think it's on 9? 8.
Probably. Okay, because it takes you an hour and a half to go home.
Pag ginamadahan ng tambal.
Isn't it? So that's why.
Sabi dun.
But be careful how you go. Okay. So the jeepney,
I want to jeep
when the jeepney stop over there, how far do you have to walk to go home? How far?
I'm not walk on.
I could not find it. I was like, what happened? How far do you have to walk?
Maybe only 50 minutes
Huh?
only. 50 minutes only. If I'm jeepney. But only, but if I'm
Ano lang, ay, di agaw lang bakit
LRT?
commission lang.
so far.
Oh.
But I'm
Commission
sleepy.
ko.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
Di
yeah.
ba, hay? Baba?
You know, I don't want to walk.
Ano na, ano na baba?
Yeah, but the train station is far from your house.
Yeah. No, that if I'm right at LRT, I'm going to downstairs. And then we're going to
Oh, so ito ka nakiduwa ka, di ba? Ito daan.
Okay, right,
Nakapagpapit
it's
sa
again.
ito.
Oh,
yeah, and also also 2 rides.
O baka di ba ba, di ka ba?
train and still to ride or train and ride? One ride?
Yeah. Then and 1 trip.
You have ride.
But
Baka di sa
the
kalipirang,
if
sa
it's so
kalipirang
far.
kantidad, basta magkakatusuhan
Give me
ng
a
Mrs.
phone,
Valda.
Yeah, if
Ah,
wait,
dapat ka di ba
you
magduwa
know,
na, baka
wait,
iwan.
the rice is not yet.
Where is it?
Ako sa maglamong lang.
There, I'm going to.
It should be okay.
I wait.
Wow.
I did.
Get another bag when you go. We have bag. Just the rice we have.
No, the ano.
Bottom.
I did.
Ah, di, sakto, sakto.
The one that the bag you.
That's all for you. Okay,
Jano.
by the water, by the water. By the water.
Ah,
Okay, malabi ka na apples.
Yeah. Come
Because this one
on.
is gonna take so long before it finish this
Come
cooking.
on.
Mama na ko sige,
kaya
udah
just
ka
yun na, it's the time is ano.
We just get a big
Ay,
bag.
tama na. Ako nga sila, ang gisira na sa bako ni basta kadugod-dugod na nga ako.
Where that rice from?
So hot.
But we still have rice though.
Alam mo, ito lang.
But we still have rice. Okay.
Look at you, you're not wearing sneakers.
I know.
Ito ka nang gawin yung kumali pa siya katawa dito.
Ito ka masarap yun.
Ito na sa
Yeah,
Oh, lamig ito lang, di ba? Nilamig eh.
Oo, masarap yun.
Lamig ito pa, nilamig ito. Kaya nga nitaguan,
Gamon
pag-isip
ko
ka
galing
lamig.
gamon ko galing bring home kasi ito.
Nagkikimay ako sito, mama ha? Lamig ito na pansit, kay pansit dyan, di ba na bihon, pansit lang.
That's it, enough.
Awi atay.
Legit.
Ipadala mo lamang kay Susi Bali siya ako magdala siya kay magdala ko din sa ako ng kuan ng leche plant, din set isa. Tapos kapatidan ako ng banner. Out na to banner kibali ng Christmas.
Aron.
Oo. Nala maglawlaw ka na ako kay kinanglan to advance ito ng order ito.
Oo, ugma sin tugma kan mo. Palit mo sa kape.
Oo.
Sige.
Nala bye-bye.
Right, you can take a break from there. Okay, go wash your hand, baby. Go. Get your plate. Go get your plate and go. Go eat and come and also. I know, right? Okay, my phone is available.
Yeah, you can get it.
Thank you. My God, it's
I
like
can do it yeah.
Sabi sa cellphone ko ginagawa. Hindi ko mahanap yung cellphone ko.
Bakit yung mga cellphone mo? Ayan, sige, 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 ayan, sige, dito.
Yung ano?
Yan, yan, hindi po yan.
Yung
Balik
iPhone,
ba?
ano ko, iPhone
Ah,
6.
iPhone, the double bed,
Hindi yung 10. iPhone 6.
Yes, the double bed, the double. Thank you.
Bakit mo nilagay dito?
I thought that. I thought you asking me that you, that's it po, yun, I thought that, ano,
Of course, yung ano, iPhone 6 ko. Kasi di, parang ganito yung iPhone 1 million. Hindi na pa.
the mama says ready.
ano, what is your code? This one? This one, you got chocolate and it's still cooking this.
Yeah, that's okay. Are you worried, darling? I'm not going to fire you.
Yes.
Yung parang makalat ng kanito ko kayo. Ayun, tanong isi balik pasok na. Pasok. May paninginilig ay hindi ko nang kalimutan na pagdatuan. Tama na ba? Kaya pag ito siya ano ko ninyo. Yes. Masa mo ko rin. So, maluto tayo i-hold mo siya. I-hold. Tama, mga nagit. Okay guys, let's going to eat dinner guys while I'm cooking. So I'm still gonna, so we're gonna eat now our dinner. So let me show you what we have. So we have this kinilaw. It's cooked by vinegar, fish roe cooked by vinegar. And we also have this fish soup. Yeah, it's cooked by, that's our Filipino food. And of course, we eat rice and we have fried fish. Yeah. And we have a beautiful view. Okay then, so let's eat. Bisa mo kutsa ba isa? Kutsa na.
Bakit kaya mo pa mag-live ko lang?
Well, remove the clothes there.
Ay, sorry.
Just close this.
Walang viewers. Kailangan mo talaga mag-live every time. Nagpipick up ng space. At kapag mayroong viewers ka na,
Ay, po Debe. Do you need to watch TikTok all the time
Hindi nyo po.
while you eating?
Hindi ako maiga kung ganun. May
Okay, just enjoy and
When
eat
you come
our.
in a week, you can bring it.
Wala, you gonna eat it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sarap, di ba?
One live. At least ang one time.
Somebody you like.
By the way, talay this daw. Is this
Well,
wrong?
Jade, yes. You can. Everything is for you. step over there behind. Okay. Oh, there, there. The white.
View. It's nice view. Just the more.
Malabon is like this.
Huh?
Malabon where you live is like this. Nice view.
No.
Hey.
Nakataw siya lang. Nakataw siya ng squatter.
Squatter area. Slum.
So, so do you live like they show dirty water and on top of the water?
Mm.
Really?
Yes.
Really? So you
Yeah.
live in those kind of houses and you shit and poop, everything goes in the water?
No. They have one.
Yeah, what?
Yeah. CR.
So where does it go?
Yeah, that you're gonna eat.
Where does it go?
They have
Where
tank.
does it go?
They have tank.
Pump or tank? Okay, give him, he wants to.
Ano ako ba?
Well, they give me the Tupperware with the red one. Be careful of that. The red Tupperware was there.
What you gonna eat, Jade?
He wants this fried. It's
Alam
too
mo
oily.
yan.
You want?
Pero, iba kayo gawin.
Tapos na yan, may tulog na yan.
Tapos na yan, B. Tapos na yan. Dito na.
Kaya ano, no? Kaya pa ano eh.
Ito pa nga po. Ako yun yung sakay lahat.
Hindi.
Buwang sa inyo eh. Ay, iba ito isa lamang. Iba ganyan sa plato kay. Kasi iba iba itong pisa.
Ito si Kuya Hari, magkano niyan?
Si Ada na isa.
Magkano ba yan? So, ano?
Guys, sit down and eat. Yeah, I think I can sit here. You guys eat. I want you to go home on time. Come on. You're gonna reach home 10 o'clock. So, either darling.
O, Didi.
Huh?
Didi. Alam mo yung biscuit lang ito.
Well, Jade, only that. Come on.
Just eat, Virgin. Just eat also, guys.
Yeah. Well, Jade, you can eat fish also. forget your charger. Forget your charger. Take it. Somebody's phone? No, your phone. No. That, yeah, daddy. Daddy calling. Daddy calling. Daddy.
Ay, ito muna ako. Tapos na rin ako.
Why no eat this? Beckham! I want her to eat so she can go. Let her go. So you come and she can eat. Now what you do? Huh? So let her go. She's
Just
late.
enough the rice for you? Just get it.
Yeah. No, just a little small spoon. I'm okay with I'm eating the pakoda, so I'm good. Huh? Yeah, because I'm eating pakoda, so I'm good. You guys eat now? Come on.
Indoor use.
Huh?
Indoor use.
You have school tomorrow, okay?
Huh?
There's school tomorrow. Noon use means school. regular day.
I am going up to sa for 9 hours na mo.
How are you going to get 90%? Need to go to school.
That's not the point. As long as I pass my homeworks and get good exam scores, then that's enough. Way more enough for 30%.
Take plus yan.
Just take a little bit. No, just a little bit. Okay, that's it. I'm good. Right. So, you know, this plate is clean. I don't need it. But, I mean, you can use it or just I'll take it.
By the way,
Yeah.
there's this guy in
Jada.
What?
there's this guy in the store.
Okay, why are you not eating anything else? You don't need to.
Because, yes. Anyway,
Yeah, what?
there's this guy in the store
Yeah.
while
Hmm.
the teacher was announcing exam scores.
Yeah.
He got 25, but after a few,
Yeah.
Ayun sa
you know,
What do you want, Kaya? You want Coke?
Oh.
Yeah. Coke? Who's that for you? Girlfriend?
my teacher announced
Yeah, well, yeah.
his name, but until he heard by,
Sarap, sarap.
You want what?
when he heard by,
Did what? Why? What is why?
when he heard by score, he will
Did. Rice. Kaso isa ba natin?
I didn't even eat.
Kanin ka ba, Vice B? Kain ka pa?
hindi. Binigyan mo na nga ako ng maraming rice. Nag-feel mo kayong buong ano, parang what?
Paano mo pa to?
Bundok.
Sabaw natin. Kasamin mo ito yun eh. Saan ka? Ano ba yan?
Sweetie? Sweetie? See that? How much you can eat? And she's still skinny. You know, that's the...
Ma'am, so much eating. No.
Give me the... Yeah.
Dapat doon mo na, ma'am.
So you want me to open this for you or you okay? The can? Huh? Okay. So you talk to Elang, so your cousin not there?
No, she was applying here. Nothing about.
Why she tell you to go to Bada?
That's the company pala, but actually didn't go there.
They didn't go there. Yeah, because you know, the ATM was not with them.
Kunin mo yan, bebe. Yan ang full. Kunin mo, bebe. Kasi full. Uwi ka doon buwag siya doon.
So she came here, you mean? Huh? That's very. So you mean to say?
Bukit ako dito. Ikaw. So, magkakamasagan, mabilin siya ni, makamatulog siya ni. Pero makatupas ako sa kono. Kung paglaong ng tagal ng tawa.
She came here?
Yeah.
And she didn't come here. Good.
She knows that.
No, she knows you after that. She knows. She knows she's here. No. Oh, she knows she's here.
Knows. She knows because lang knows.
Oh, so Lang is gonna tell her
Yeah.
the Joy is here. So she didn't want to meet Joy. She knows Joy is poor. Yeah. Cannot get anything from you.
I don't know how they're gonna manage, how it's gonna work because
No.
if she work with Jai, then she's gonna tell to Jai that what to do.
I don't know. Maybe they won't put them
Paano
together.
niya yan?
No,
Paano yan? Training
Yeah.
si JJ talaga mag-ano sa kanya. Magtitrain sa kanya. Baka sabihin mo naman yan na training boss. Si JJ parang pinagkatiwalaan dyan.
But they're living together.
No? Ano na yun? Okay. Ay, wala sa kuhan sa itong. Isinto nga ito ba? Di ba? Takasir sa itong live.
Dahil ay gusto ko lang yun. Ay, puto ka lang, tinagawin mo lang mula ka. Work na ito, lang na rin ako.
Do we have put up a car, a cup of everything?
Not yet, I think that's your job na.
Huh?
Your job na pilot.
I know that.
Next day mo,
You guys not eating this fish?
that's next time, you can't eat it once. You have to go one.
I was going to eat if you eat. I want to try it. Like, no, please. But it could be tomorrow, next day.
Also that good.
Huh?
Fish. That
It's
fish
good?
is good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the meat.
400 a kilo eh.
Yeah.
I know, right?
It's expensive.
Yeah, your country is so expensive. How can poor people really afford? I'm surprised. That's why they buy one small fish and two people can eat.
Buy one fish, they cut 7 pieces.
Yeah, that's what I mean, you know? The 400 is really expensive. For
Only here in
Philippines.
Manila.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but still,
but in province,
In province,
we have also.
It's still expensive, but not too much like this.
yeah, but still, people live here also, isn't it? You know, people over here, they still make
Nakakuha mo
those,
sila
you
niyan
know?
eh. Yan ni Papa.
Siguro sa
400
100.
sa gihapon, 300 sa gihapon.
Iyan na to.
Tambaka yun. Ay, parang bawo.
Di ko na hindi ka.
Dito doon mo kaya nagagmal nagpatuloy sa saan.
Uy! This guy, one time. How about that?
Wala.
So I'm gonna take one. So you can close it.
Yeah, so they will take one. So how this open? Yeah, you were trying to steal this thing? How this one open?
I have yun.
This girl, you said you're not taking this, right? And you don't have the thing here either.
No, I have na.
You have?
I have na.
You have.
Yeah.
You better, you know, don't give us good news.
Because, matapos yan, if I'm coming ready,
You can
I'm
go.
rest. Tara yan. 7 days na.
Pero pala, ang ganda ko, ang ganda ko nung ako sa Kevin Days.
Pero pagkatapos magkalabok ako, yan din ako. Pag kami, ng doktor. Pero dapat yun, wala talaga mangyayari.
Ano ka mag-first?
Dayan, Germany.
Wala pa din eh.
Dayan, Philippines yan. Kaya, nakaregister pa siya.
Ang nasa Germany ka di.
Register in Germany. Kaya mura. Hindi, FDA approved nila doon. FDA approved natin dito. Pero iba pa mamalakad nila doon. Kaya mura siya. Dito kasi more siksik talaga dito. Ang sa Thailand. Ang sa Thailand. Pero, yan ang ano ko talaga nagagamit ko ng karaan na. Maganda siya. Parang hiyang ako. Wala akong problema sa dugo ko. Wala akong naramdaman. Respect kasi.
Okay, you have pakoda you're cooking or you have?
Yeah.
Oh, so you have to go.
Yan ito.
Go there, go on.
Balik tayo minat.
Lejo also does live.
Yeah.
Lejo does live. But at home, but link of Asta. So she didn't complain about that.
So you tell everything, so what do you think is going to happen?
No, even at television. When someone
Alam sa ganun.
live your product, you will have a notification.
Mag-notify nyo.
When the orders came, she will know it's a Philip. They're gonna have orders.
They should be happy to somebody, you know. It's not that they're paying you to do that. Yeah. It's not called costing them anything extra.
Ganit sila ko alam.
It's okay. We still live here.
So, if this actor needs to
You didn't tell me that. I could eat that, right? You keep asking me, but I'm gonna eat a bottom bar. I had.
But you're not gonna eat without rice this one, so
Tomorrow. I'll eat a little bit now, but tomorrow is another beautiful day. Don't worry. I don't have any breakfast.
breakfast this one.
No. In the province, fish every time. Don't worry. If you go to the province, breakfast is fish, lunch is fish.
it's just sour kasi na mo na
Wala. You can't eat the
Bukas ko
next
na
day.
ito na yan bukas. It's not
Can't
gonna be
eat?
good after tomorrow because it's
No.
gonna be cooked towards the vinegar. It's fresh kasi. It's not cooked. But don't go away. Di pa natin, di pa na vinegar.
No, wait for that. I'm not saying I'm gonna finish. I said I will eat. This boy doesn't like it, no? Well, just take it. Oh. This boy, well, he doesn't like anything. You know,
But it's asking.
his taste is different.
But he said, I want this.
You want?
Cook this.
No, no, he want-
the eggplant.
Yeah, he wanted
But
eggplant.
I cut the left. I cut the left. That's why a little bit,
Because, you know, when he sees something on YouTube or TikTok, he wants to try that. But Philippine food, you don't
Hindi
want.
naman.
No.
It's Chai naman also.
You don't
That's
want.
why.
Huh?
It's Chai naman. That's why.
He's shy?
Chai naman.
Oh, he's a Chinaman. Yeah,
That's why. You don't want like,
Yeah.
Filipino food.
I know.
Maybe it's blood.
He wants Indian food. Today I bought him 10 packs, 1,500 peso, just his food, Indian.
Then he like,
1.5, just his food. Oh yeah,
he ate.
yeah. We love. Every time. Oh, you have paneer? I'm like, no, finish. Yeah. I bought the whole 10 pack they have. It's about 1,500 peso just for that. Come on.
His hours, he's waiting. He's
I
coming
know.
home.
Oh, he's home now?
And I'm not worrying.
Yeah, but he knows you were here. He knows you were safe.
Sino na pinagpasinan kami sa tabawag mo?
Oo, wala siya noon. Pero makatubay ako sa buwan. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko pa sure.
Mamatot ako na sa city.
So you're going to forget the charger.
Make
Make sure. So you take your phone and the charger.
Dapat lagi ito kain sa'yo.
Hold that.
Awal pa sa kapitan.
Hindi lang na.
But I can eat still a bit, but I'm just saying that I eat pakada some food. Oh, equipment, yeah, equipment. So he gonna go in the morning, he goes to work? You're
Yeah.
like what time? 7?
Early. 4
Really?
to 5 or 5 a.m.
5 a.m.
Yeah.
Wow. And then what time you come home?
Maybe 9 or 10.
9, 10 p.m.
Yeah. Now we don't have
So many hours?
we don't have overtime now.
So,
That's why he coming 7.
So, ano oras ka?
Still, that's a long day.
Usually.
Seven? Usually 7.
That's 12 hours. It's a long day. More than 12 hours actually. Wow. How much he gets one day then?
1 day.
Or 1K a day. And they're still poor. You
Yeah,
understand?
because I have
No, I'm telling you, because you the one who's handling the finance. And you don't know how to handle.
No.
He's the one who's sa
I
labas
thought you told me that
Mm.
no, that she's the one who does all. She takes all the
Yeah,
money.
he gave me, but he said he already he gave the money, but he already total.
You already?
Total. He gave me, he already.
I thought you used to give him pocket money.
No.
You used to give before, like whatever.
Yeah, I mean, he
Before.
gave, but
No,
you know
you.
the
It's already
total.
total. Like, all this is to, ano, this is
This
for
for, yeah.
Already budget.
The 1K is not bad.
Yes.
I'm just saying, you
If you
know.
work every day,
Oh yeah.
Well,
If they have, didn't
but he's not gonna go to work if you have a
if you have
problem.
something, yeah.
Great.
already 2 days, he have seen Saturday and Sunday.
That's what I'm saying. You have to
Today is first
understand.
day of the week.
That's what I'm saying. You have to understand
That's
that.
only 3 days on the week. So how?
There's something you have to understand. You have 2 kids,
Yeah.
and you and him. You know, you got to survive. You got to live. How long you gonna leave your kids with your
Then-
mother?
I always asking, we don't have own home.
Yeah.
That's why
Even if it's whatever, yes. It's very
I'm
important.
not getting married on them.
Oh, you better not.
Sorry,
Just keep making babies though.
Not
She talks like
never.
Uh, but, you have to think. You are like a family now. You have kids with one man, so you have to think, or he has to think. What's going to happen to my kids, isn't it?
Ayun. Now if they are still like nursery, how about this college, high school, naku, that's the
Great
problem.
schooling. They have to buy books. They have to buy pen. You have to. It's nothing is cheap or free.
And every day you have going to ano.
Kids, this is demanding.
Ano.
Joy, there is expense on everything. Okay, when they're kids, you have to buy them diapers. You have to buy them milk. Okay, and then food, obviously, right? When they grow a little bit more old, then of course still food, clothes, right? And then they get more old, then it's like my pasaway.
Oh, I want cellphone. I want ano.
Yeah. I mean, look at my pasaway. The headset, because I told him, I said, okay, I'll buy you good. No, because I told him, I said, okay, if I buy
So
you
I'm
good
going
laptop,
to
I'll buy you
ano,
good
kuya.
headset. You're already looking at headset, 5,000 and 6,000. So I said, they sell it at, what is the speaker, JBL, they sell in the mall, 6,000-7,000, yes. But I said, you have to work for it. Work means that you have to, prove it to me that yes.
Yeah.
And I'll buy you, I told you. I
We
said,
didn't
look,
say yet. We didn't say the grades.
I said, okay, I'll buy it,
Tapos 75 lang ha.
No, 75.
Gadanaan. First grading. So, second grading kailangan walang line 7.
Bakit?
Naman may kailangan laptop doon. Lang,
Because, like Joy, like I said, he's the only child for me now that I have to take care. So my kids are already grown up. Yes, if they need something, I'm there or I'm here for them. But they have their jobs. They don't ask me for anything. So I told him that I can do things for you, but I cannot go to college for you. I cannot do your assignment. Okay, you have to do those things. I can only provide you what you need for that. You need pen, I buy you pen. You need laptop, okay, I'll buy you that. But I don't want to hear any complaints. I don't want anybody come to me every second. Oh, this happened. Oh, that happened. No. I have a life also. Leave me alone. Don't bother me. I have a girlfriend. I have to take care of her.
Oh, of course.
I have to fight for her. I have to fight for our rights. I cannot let people, anything.
Sometimes you fight. It's sometimes
That's how I am. That's how I am. If you and me fight, oh my God, I told you. If I start with you, oh man, you won't be able to take it. You won't be able to take it.
You better control it.
Of course, that's what I
Otherwise, you're
said.
gonna blow.
No,
I can't help you.
No.
If you blow. So relax, Gano.
See this? Of course, that's what I'm
I'm
saying.
going cooking you.
Okay, that's what I say, Joy. That fortunately, because she's getting old, and they say, when people get old, they get, that's whatever. But when she was younger or whatever, she was aggressive. Now she doesn't argue to
They're
me.
they're growing.
You have more patience in a way.
Then more ano.
Yeah, you understand? So she doesn't really argue with me, like really argue. Because if, the way you guys argue, my God, I will never be with her. If you were my girlfriend and you argue with me, I would say tata bye bye. What for what? That's my point. That's why I tell you, why you guys, you're going to live together, you're living together, why you fight all the time? Just compromise. I know he's maybe too much, but you probably doing something also, Joy. Okay?
Yeah,
you
but-
making him suspicious, okay? So, of course, nobody going to take it.
Yeah, but he did something wrong.
Oh, come on. So, okay. So he did something wrong. You either finish it or observe it. No, not observe it.
He doesn't want
Absorb.
to. He doesn't want to stop it. So
Well, I don't know about that. So if he doesn't want to stop, then this woman knows what
now,
to do, right?
now he doesn't want to accept it.
But Joy, I mean, going back to the same thing. You either accept it, like be quiet, accept it. Because fighting every day is not going to change him or change you or make your life interesting. You're only going to fight for what? So you either accept it, that he's the man of my kids or whatever. You understand? Or say, okay, I'm going to save some money or whatever, I'm gone. You understand? But you're never going to save that kind of money that, that we say that, okay, oh yeah, no, in this country, they don't pay you that kind of money. In our countries, yes, we have 2 jobs, we can do things on the side, we can, we hustle. We call it hustle. We hustle over there. And we can do things.
Balik po yung kami na.
Huh?
Ikaw na ito, iba yung sarili mo yung work mo.
Maybe you want to go abroad, go abroad.
Sarili yung work. Balik ka na ito. Sa kanilan, Pwede lang araw, pwede marami.
Kay, ang tanong nga, tutag 2 ka oras, 3 ka oras.
Ba't ang full ang sahod?
Di, sa per hour.
Yun ang
Pwede
kagandahan
sa
sa
usapan.
Yun ang kagandahan sa ano.
Sa gusto yan ka man, oh. May aso ko ito.
Fully protect shower, baby. Come on.
Suldon ako ng kuan ng $50 sa oras. Ano yan? Kasi mo lamang ang aso. So, tapos, ay sa kang kabalikan mo, okay, won. O, magbugas ka ng plato kada inaoras, so kada na, makadikap ko na. So, makaoras ka na, makatabaho ka na, kaya katabaho in the day. Hindi, kaya sa Philippines na.
Why you have this one? You don't want people to know what you're talking about.
Kumadi watching eh. Kumadi ka naman sa natin.
Take it out.